Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add a profile picture in Signal. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your phone and then just click here on Signal. And when you're going to be here, go to left top corner to the profile picture, and then you're going to see your profile picture and your name. Click on it, and then again you need just to click on a profile picture right here on the photograph. And then you need to choose a photo. You can choose it from gallery or take it. And now all media, and I'm going to choose like this one here, right? That's me with a flower. You can like play around it, add the text here, whatever, and just find and click save. And voila, this is how you can simply change your profile picture. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.